all my life, like I'd seen, my parents get mobbed, my brother, my sister-in-law.
Name one Kapoor family member you're very fond of.
All my babies in the Kapoor family, I love deeply.
I think it is a Varun Dhawan
doll. Where's the Bandari? The Bandari is sleeping.
Hi guys, so we have the very fabulous Riddhima Kapoor Sahni and Samara Sahni with us today. Welcome to What's Hot. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Riddhima, tell us a little about how his life changed after Fabulous Lives versus Bollywood Wives a Little. Is it the same? How's it been with the other Bollywood wives in Fabulous Lives? Just take us through it a little.
So, of course, life has changed. I wouldn't say drastically, but it has. I'm getting a lot of more work opportunities, collaborations. I was still doing it even before Fabulous Lives, but I'm getting a lot of love. I even got mobbed, by the way. All my life, like I'd seen, my parents get mobbed, my brother, my sister-in-law. But now people were coming up to even and Sam to take photos and basically telling us how they've enjoyed watching us in Fabulous Lives. So I was very very keen.
It's been great seeing you and you both, of course, on the show. So how are you taking all the attention now, given that this change which has been brought in your life after Riddhima has been a part of the show?
It feels great, and I'm like really proud of my mom, of course. Sweet. And like everyone else on the show, I feel like watching myself felt a bit it felt good.
It's a lovely space you guys have created here, a lovely house. So both of you all, why don't you tell me a little about your favorite part of the house, one space in your house which is like a favorite?
When Samara was born, obviously it was her room. I
Okay.
was there all the time. That was like a place where I just wanted to be. Now, of course, she's grown up, and now it's like most of the time she's locking her doors, so I have no entry most of the times there. But now it's my yoga place right here, right where we are sitting. So when I get all my me time, I meditate, I practice yoga right here. So this has to be my favorite place.
And I think no points for guessing that for you it would be your sanctuary, your room,
But I also
her
love-
domain.
I love the garden because I can just go on swings.
Do you enjoy yoga as much as she does?
Not really, but it's
She's learning. She's a beginner.
Yeah.
She used to when she was younger. So I don't mind it. Yeah, she's minded. So she used to come, she used to join us, and she used to do her asanas. She's really good. She's very flexible.
Any piece of advice from yoga or meditation in general, Riddhima, you'd like to share with our viewers?
Advice ka pata nahi, but I had this chota sa sapna. I want to educate people in India. And I want to talk to them more about yoga and how it is, it is so, there are so many benefits to do yoga, to all the ladies, to all the children, to, elderly people, that you must do yoga. And it's actually very, very good for you.
Tell us a little about, how's the entire experience of being, from, of course, you belong to a very, very well-established Bollywood family, but you're never there in front of the camera. So how has the entire change and experience been for you of being in front of the camera in the limelight?
Overwhelming,
Yeah.
fulfilling, and absolutely fabulous.
Amazing. So good to hear that. Name one Kapoor family member you're very fond of. That's a tough one.
Oh God. All my babies, my bachchas in the Kapoor family, I love deeply. All of them. Like sometimes I'm their naughty bua, sometimes I'm their naughty masi. So yeah.
So you're the one who's spoiling them all.
I mean, I try, but they are very, very big kids.
Who do you gel the most with from the show cast and why?
I have a different equation with all 6 of them. So at times my go-to person will be Kalyani, sometimes Shalini, sometimes Mahit, Neelam, Bhavna, Seema. So I can't really, pick one. I think, we are all friends and yet it is. So it's, no, I can't choose.
You can't choose one, you can't pick one.
All of them.
Now, I'll name a few names and you have to tell me the first word which comes to your mind when I take these names, okay? Shalini Pasi.
Beautiful.
Mahip Kapoor.
Mahit is a vibe. She's a vibe.
Raha Kapoor.
Jaan.
Alia Bhatt.
Gudiya.
Oh, amazing. One thing you absolutely love, hate and tolerate about the film industry.
No, I don't hate anything about the industry. It's just that, sometimes you don't get to spend quality time with your loved ones. So it's just that the time that you want to
Time
spend-
availability.
availability. I mean, quality time. So I want to spend more time with, let's say, my brother.
One thing you'll always remember about your dad, Rishi ji.
Just not one thing. I mean, I miss him every single day. I wish he was here. We miss his presence. I miss arguing with him. And then him calling me like 10 times a day and, like just talking to me, him calling me mushk. And, I don't hear that anymore. So there are a lot of things actually. But if I start, it'll just take me forever.
So in an interview, Ranbir recently, revealed or shared that he couldn't have a closure with Rishi ji and he was a little uptight around him. And also, we also saw an interview where Rishi ji was saying he was like a very conventional father when it came to parenting, and he and Ranbir, they've always had that distance and respect in terms of, chilling with each other. How was your relationship with Rishi ji? Was it more on conventional, disciplined, or was it more like a buddy sort of a relationship? And how was it all in all? Tell us more.
No, our relationship was very, very, it was beautiful, yeah. Because we used to argue also. He used to like fight, matlab, जैसे हम एक दूसरे, मतलब he used to joke with me, things like that. Couple of times, he would probably, if he wasn't allowed to have something, he would have it, and then mom would call me up. Papa is having this. Then I call him up. You're not supposed to. What? It was very beautiful. It's all love.
On that note, Samara, is any particular memory about Rishi ji, which has stayed with you and you'd like to share?
Yes, just seeing him there and going on holiday with him, like, I miss everything.
He used to call you Bandari. There's the Bandari. Bandari is sleeping.
Ranbir recently mentioned on the Kapil Sharma show that he had this habit of stealing your outfits and giving it to some of his girlfriends. Any fun incidents, any memories around that?
Yeah, I mean, initially he used to take. Uske baad he started asking me, like, "Acha, you don't want this, na? Ye naya hai na? Pehna to nahi hai na? Ise naya hai, le lo."
With such a talented family, how do you balance all the limelight and the family time, or any fun family traditions, you guys have of your own, which kinds of brings you together, and any rituals like that?
So I think as a family, for us, for the Kapoors, family always comes first.
Yeah.
So family before everything.
Anything, yeah.
Even when we have get-togethers, our conversations mainly revolve around food because everyone is a foodie.
I think Kareena has been very expressive about her love for food. Yeah.
Everyone is a foodie. We may not like my mother and I, we may not express, but we love food. End of the day.
So how do you maintain this balance between fitness, love for food, yoga? I mean, it's a tough balance to maintain.
Only yoga se hi hoga.
So Ridhima, we're here. You were quite a tomboy, while growing up, playing around with Ranbir, be it cricket, be it wrestling. So any fun anecdotes or any fun moments regarding those?
I have a lot. I wasn't a tomboy, but I just enjoyed, we've led a very simple life.
Yeah.
No gadgets, no phone.
Yeah. No online school.
No online school. It's fun, but we were mostly outdoors. So we thoroughly enjoyed our childhood. So Ranbir used to have his friends over. I used to have my friends over. We all used to play together. So the only time I used to really get irritated was like when he used to make me the dinner, or then when I had to field and I couldn't.
That fielding is boring.
Exactly. So they always made me do that, running around. But we've had a blast. We've actually had the best childhood.
So how did this entire transition from being a tomboy to having your entire own fine jewelry line happen? Tell us more about it.
So ironically, I was never a jewelry person. At my own wedding, I wasn't even wearing too many pieces. So I hardly even looked like a bride. Very, very simple. I was very simple.
Minimal.
But soon after, my mother we endorsed a jewelry brand together.
Okay.
And I saw so many beautiful pieces around me. And wearing them and modeling and, getting pictures taken. And I think my love affair with jewelry started since those ads.
So I'm gonna, give you two options in the next few questions, and you have to pick one out of every statement I make, just for us to know more about you. Designer handbags or statement jewelry?
Statement jewelry.
Statement jewelry. Yoga or Pilates?
Yoga.
Mumbai monsoons or Delhi winters?
Can I say pre-Delhi winter?
So like karate, what you have, the nip in the air.
The nip in the air. Mumbai monsoon, definitely more.
No. A family dinner or a friend's night out?
Family dinner.
Family dinner. Hosting parties or attending events?
Attending events.
Attending events.
It's easier.
Karishma or Kareena?
No, I choose between my sisters. I'll say case.
Kapoor's ki Diwali or Kapoor's ki Christmas party?
You know, thing is, during Diwali, though I'm home, I'm in Delhi.
You're in Delhi.
Yeah, Lakshmi Puja hoti hai. So I'd go for the Christmas
Parties. Family time or me time?
family time. I'm more comfortable and I just love being around my family.
Tell me one go-to spot in Delhi and in Mumbai.
Delhi, mere ghar aa jao. Best khana. See, I don't really go out. You know, I'm
Okay.
not very social.
Yeah.
I rather be with, my family or my close friends. You know,
Yeah.
we hang out. They come home, Sometimes hosting a group of close friends, Mumbai, there are so many places also, yeah. But again, maa ka ghar.
So it all sums up to the house. Within the house, Riddhima is...
Home bodies.
Tell us one lie and two truths about yourself, and then we can guess which one's what.
Never lied.
Would you like to end this one for your mom?
She's very sweet. The sweet bitch she's me said. I sing really well. And I'm out of great. I let Samara be and let her do what she likes. So easy.
Which one's the lie here? When I'm confused.
We are not good liars. Huh? It's all on our face. You can just see it.
Can you name 3 Bollywood films that Rishiji and Neetu ji worked together in, and they're like your absolute all-time favorite?
Rafu Chakkar, Khel Mein, and Amar Aparathe.
Name one film of Ranbir where he played the role of a salesman.
This is a very easy one. It's Salesman of the Year. Yeah.
One film of Ranbir you didn't like at all.
No, I liked every film of his. Yeah, every film gets better and better each time. So I actually enjoyed watching him in all his
movies.
Yeah.
So.
Null and void question.
So do we have a favorite then?
Favorite तो बहुत है, but my absolute favorite film of his would be Rockstar.
Yeah.
Actually, a tie between Rockstar and Wake Ups.
How about you? Which is your favorite movie of Mamu's?
Kampal. She loved Jagga Jasoos. She used to dance on the Galti Se Ye Steak song.
Kareena, Karishma, Alia.
All 3 are my sisters.
So
Alia is my sister-in-law, but for me, she's like my sister.
Lunch date with your BFFs or dinner with date with your husband?
Husband.
As an oldest sibling, did you bully Ranbir? And how, if you did that?
Very on random things, like pass me the remote, or I tell mom what you did, huh? You had ice cream, no? That is, give me the remote, put the fan on.
These are still small things. Never have I ever lied to my parents about going out on a date.
So I don't lie. They knew it all and knew exactly where I was going, with who, when, what time, everything they knew.
Never have I ever lied to someone about their performance in a film.
No, I'm very straightforward.
You're very straight.
What
You're very. So there have been moments like that where you didn't like something and you just told the person. You didn't say. So that was the absolutely, I would say, nation's favorite Riddhima Kapoor Sahni and adorable Samara Sahni with us. Thank you so much for joining us today. It was.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.